On y'all, it's your guy C Paris. Today I'm in here unboxing a We Are Memory Keepers button maker kit that I got from JoAnn Fabrics on a Black Friday sale. I know it's March, but better late than never.
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
Just go unboxing this video. I'm gonna come back with another part where we actually use it. I just want to see what came in the box. Haven't took the time to really look at it yet. Shouts out to the squad, man. You know what I mean? If you haven't already, come join the Facebook group. Link is in the description. Every Saturday night, we started a series here on YouTube, Squad Talks Live, where we interviewing different people, different companies, and different small businesses and different stuff like that, man. Saturday night, 7 p.m. Pacific, here on YouTube, man. Y'all come check that out. This podcast is going crazy, man. They getting better and better every week. Seek Paris 12 on Apparel. I'll see y'all in a second.
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
Alright, so we gonna get this thing. Whoa. Alright, so we gonna get this thing unboxed. I hope. My favorite thing in the world is the paper they use to pack stuff. But it's always excess. It was more box paper than it was product. Can't break it getting it out the box. So it's the We Are Memory Keepers button press kit. Alright, so I chose this button press because I excuse me. I Google button presses. This one was the first one to pop up a while ago. Then when I did it recently, it popped up again. So I was like, let me go get it. It was a Black Friday deal. Shit in the box. Black Friday deal. It was I got it for $50 with $4.99 shipping from JoAnn for Black Friday. So there's the handle. Some of that good old bubble wrap. Pretty lightweight. Just a random piece of cardboard right there. That's it. Structure manual. See what's in this little box. It only came with a few buttons. I gotta figure out where to get some more accessories from for it. I'm not sure what any of this is. Into the box. I don't know what any of this is. Have to get into these directions and check it out. Do know this much. I know this goes here. So I'm gonna read these directions and come right back.
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
Alright, so that's the unboxing. I'm gonna have a video for you probably next week. We're gonna actually use it. Just wanted to get this content out there, let y'all see it. And again, I paid $50 and $4.99 shipping for Black Friday. Not really sure what it costs now, but it was just something I couldn't pass up. I had to try it, just a entry-level button maker, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Seek Paris, 12 Gone Apparel. I'll see y'all next time.